My name is Elsie Chiguli-Marwadde. I'm from Uganda. I'm the Secretary General for the Network Towards Unity for Health. In Uganda, I work as the Director, Health Workforce Education and Development at the African Center for Global Health and Social Transformation. Welcome to the Network Towards Unity for Health, in short, TUFH. We are an international, intersectoral, intergenerational organization with a goal of improving health both locally and globally. TUFH is a non-state actor in official relationship with the World Health Organization. TUFH has been around since 1979 and originates from two WHO organizations, the Network and Towards Unity for Health. Often, we refer to it as the network of networks. It has been self-evolving and achieving success, both by evolving and leading in a changing environment. TUFH has grown to a year-round organization, so we'll tell you more about our strategies and products.
Hello, everyone. My name is Nicholas Torres, and I serve in the capacity of Executive Director of the Network Towards Unity for Health, and I work out of the United States. As we look towards TUFH's goals and our future, we really focus on our goal one is on social accountability in moving institutions to be more socially responsible. We also focus on the regional interprofessional education and collaborative practices as a best practice in both the educational framework, but also in providing health services to community. Goal 3 is really looking at the health workforce and how that health workforce works, not only increases their own competencies, but the team competencies to make sure that everyone is healthy. And last is working towards global health at teaching and learning. And we do this through the partnership diagram that you see on your screen, which is also framed from the partnership pentagram.
Hello, everyone. My name is Aricia de Kempeneer. I am the Operations and Programming Director for the Network Towards Unity for Health, and I am located in Belgium. I'm here to start telling you more about all of the products and services that we provide. So to start off, we have the TUFH Online Community, which is a platform where all members can network and share their resources and their work. There is a social wall, a people directory, news section, archive, and much more. It's a great place to continue to network and can stay connected throughout the year. TUFH hosts an annual hybrid conference with strong co-hosts in the region. The annual conference moves around the 7 WHO regions to make it accessible for all. During these conferences, all attendees get to teach and learn through the scientific sessions that are the TUFH Talks, the TUFH documentaries, the workshops, and the oral presentations. In addition, participants get to enjoy keynote speakers, regional meetings, TUFH-related activity sessions, and much more. Unique to the TUFH conference is that it brings together an international, intersectoral, and intergenerational audience. TUFH takes their participants out into the community with the conference on the move when attendees get to see with their own eyes how things work in the host country. The Network Towards Unity for Health is a very welcoming environment and community, and during the annual conference, you get the chance to reconnect and establish new relationships through the many networking opportunities. In 2022, TUFH hosted its first TUFH regional virtual conferences. These conferences were co-hosted by membership institutions in the region with a strong focus on the regional topics and themes. They hosted keynote speakers, oral presentations, workshops, brainstorming sessions, and a session called Regional to Global that helps strengthen the TUFH 2022 declaration. Every 2 weeks, TUFH hosts a TUFH symposium or TUFH workshop where TUFH members and anyone interested in them can learn and discuss about a vast array of different topics. These TUFH symposiums and workshops are very interactive. Participants will be engaged throughout the event and can follow up by connecting to the presenters when needed. They are free for all TUFH members. The content for these events are generated by the TUFH members and their networks. So if you are having an interesting proposal, you can submit to present your own TUFH symposium or workshop as well. With the mentorship program, we aim to strengthen and ensure the sustainability of this professional-student relationship in our network. It is a stimulating experience for both tutors and for students that will help enrich your skills and foster one-to-one relationships with the global health experts and the community of students that is within the Network Towards Unity for Health.
Hello, everyone. My name is Caressa Govender from South Africa. I am the TUFH Academy and Social Accountability Manager. Welcome to the global classroom that is TUFH Academies. In addition to being guided by leading figures in public health and health equity, you will also learn with and from people from all over the world. TUFH Academies are grounded in the values that all teach and all learn, and we all learn best by doing. TUFH Academies are taught through a combination of theory, through lectures, and practice through project-based learning applied to the participants' local environment and community. Participants demonstrate their knowledge and skills by creating a public product applied to their local context. TUFH Academies is designed for professionals focusing on leadership and health. We also have a student offering in the form of iStep. iStep refers to the International Student Training and Exchange Program, where students from different institutions complete courses in interprofessional and international groups.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratama Santoso Utomo. I'm from Indonesia. I'm member of TUFH Global Secretariat as the TUFH Social Accountability and Faculty Development. My institution in Indonesia is in the Faculty of Medicine, Public Health and Nursing, Universitas Gadjah Mada. To achieve the mission of social accountability, the network TUFH collaborates with organizations to create the Institutional Self-Assessment Social Accountability Tool, or ISAT. The main goal of ISAT is to assist institutions to become socially accountable to the public and people they serve. The tool assesses social accountability readiness of health institutions to incorporate student, faculty, curriculum, learning activities, research, governance, stakeholder engagement, outcomes, and societal impact domains. Institutions' assessment results are reported based on their ISAT for developmental phases.
Education for Health is the peer-reviewed Medline Index journal of the Network Towards Unity for Health, a global consortium of health profession schools that are committed to improve the preparation of future health professions, particularly ensuring that they are responsive to the needs of the communities in which they learn and work. TUFH also has a collaboration with the Social Innovations Journal, which is dedicated to social innovators and entrepreneurs, bridging practitioners to academics, and many of the articles are curated, as you previously heard, through the TUFH Academies.
Hello, I am Mustafa Amin Tukur, the Vice President of the Student Network Organization, SNO, working from Nigeria. The Student Network Organization is a network of health students who work to promote health equity in education and healthcare, working in cultural, multidisciplinary collaboration with the goal of universal healthcare construction. SNO creates a space to strengthen the interest of students, regardless of their areas of expertise, on public health issues from a local, regional, and international level, through interdisciplinary collaboration with opportunities to interact with professors, peers, and public health professionals working in their areas of interest, creating networks, and in a friendly and familiar environment.
We hope that this video has been informative, and we hope to see you at one of our coming events. Please join the Network Towards Unity for Health.